All right, this is my daily update for my build and public log. It's March 8th, 2025. I have a big update today. I managed to actually get some real work done today. I'm still going to do more work after this. I have a really cool demo. I have things like officially working, but I have I have a lot to talk about today in today's update to show exactly what I've been building, and the thing is working. This is going to be a real live demo, so let's see what is going to happen. So I talked about this in the last few videos. My website, it does a lot of stuff. There's like all my episodes of my daily updates. I want this. I'm going to automate this site 100%. So I do nothing. I just post my video to my daily video to YouTube, and this site will update itself. It will call pretty good agents, pretty sophisticated agents, does a lot on my API service, and it will just update this every day automatically. So how I'm doing that is with a GitHub action that it looks at my YouTube channel, sees like, oh hey, there's a new video. Let me go kick off that YouTube agent that runs on my API service, my AI agent API service. It goes and then it gets the transcription, it, summarizes it, makes topics, it adds chapters, and then it opens a PR. For now, I'm going to just like review it, but once this is working every day and I see it's good, I will let it automatically merge the PR and then update the site. Whew. So before I get into the demo, a quick update. What the hell have I accomplished this week? Because this is the end of my week. I'm taking tomorrow off. I did a lot of work stabilizing the back end for my API service. Today I got it all up on the server. I ran into a bunch of bugs, a bunch of weird issues. I'll work through those issues. And then, speaking of YouTube, my server where the agents run got blocked. So I was prevented from downloading the transcripts and having the agent run. So I had to do some stuff to make that work again, and it's all working now. It's so stupid. I wasted like an hour of my day today on a stupid bug because I use Hopscotch. That is an API service where you can. I've showed it in a previous video. It's nothing special. It's kind of like Postman is another popular tool. Insomnia is another one. You just basically it's a collection of API points, and you call an API, and that stupid extension. I think it was the extension. I don't know. I don't get exactly where the bug was at, but it was like a stupid bug in Hopscotch, and I wasted an hour pulling out my hair. I was like, what is going on here? What did I break? No, I didn't break anything. So everything is deployed now. All the updates I've done to make the cube more stable and the workers more stable to actually run agents, that's all deployed. I'm really, really, really pushing hard to get this thing launched fully in a week. Whew, yeah, I got a lot done. And just like literally just hours today, just sitting there focusing and actually working. So now I'm going to demo running the GitHub action. I just ran it right now and it worked, but there was like a bunch of weird stuff that I didn't want. So let's try it again. I'm digging the GitHub actions for this because I don't need an agent. Like what is an agent? Like an agent is like code. In my opinion, an agent is something that does call an LLM to do some special sauce. I don't need AI. I'm calling an agent that does all the YouTube stuff, but this is like you just write a script. Just a GitHub action works. The code is on Git. It needs to manually make a file for the website. That's good enough. It's pretty quick, 30 seconds. Goddamn. And then there's my PR. So let's fingers crossed. This is a real demo. New episode. Yep, that's the one I want. This PR adds a new episode from your YouTube channel. That's pretty dope. I'm pretty happy with that. Automated, yeah, automatically generated. So cool. What this is doing is, it's trying to build this. It's trying to actually see, like, hey, is this really going to build? And it did. Let's look at the demo. Let me actually make sure that's right. Okay, there's the transcript. Thank God. So that actually is calling my API service, like, really on the server. I had to do a bunch of work right before this to make sure that always gets the transcription and that always works. The whole fucking point of all of this is to build a really robust, powerful agents that run in the cloud that you can programmatically call. That thing needs to run, and it must return data, and it must work quickly. Most of that time, so that took 30 seconds. Most of that was like waiting for the agent to complete. Here's the description. This is pulled in from YouTube. Here's the summary. It's on my to-do list to make this better. Daily update for build and public lock. Oh, fabulous. That's so great. The video provides a daily progress update on a tight freelance project detailing work on backend integration, API, dashboard development, plans for automation, and challenges balancing work with personal time, along with a nostalgic anecdote about a sugar cookie. All right, here are the topics. Hell yeah, it works. Uh-oh. Oh no, something went wrong. Shit, what happened? There's no chapters. Okay. See, every time I do a demo, it breaks. So something went wrong with the chapters. Okay, so now let's check the actual PR. Why is it doing that? Okay, so something's wrong. So let's look here. There's nothing really top secret here. It's just what you see on the page. Title, there's the YouTube video. Yep, that's right. Yep. There's like all the data. Why is it updating the packages? And why is it creating a new node modules? Oh my god. Okay, so something's still not right, but it works. It's working, kind of. I don't know what happened with the chapters. That's the first time I've seen that, so that's a mystery. What the hell is this? Oh, I see. It just opens that URL. I don't really care that you see that URL. Like, go look at the demo. Like, what do I care? Automated PR. So, okay, it's working. It called the API service. It made the new episode. So again, so first of all, I'm going to look into those bugs. Like, that's the first time I've seen the chapter thing. Not sure what happened there. So this is just gonna run every day. And so for now, I'm just gonna like go in here and see a pull rec and just like, oh, did it build? Oh, okay, yeah, there's the file. Assuming everything is green, I'm just gonna click the merge button every day. That is so much faster than what I've been doing. Like, it's been taking, I don't know, 10, 15, like 5 minutes, but this will be like 1 minute. And then, of course, once this is like really solid, I'll just like let this go, automatically merge, and everything will be, the site will be updated automatically. That's my update for today. Let's jump over here. All right, no questions or comments for today. Yeah, I've been not doing great. My YouTube channel is hurting. I'm not getting any views. The algorithm hates me, so I think I'm going to have a lot more exciting stuff soon. So, especially when this thing goes live, it's going to be rough. Anyways, on to my random story for today. A family member had a pet lizard, like a chameleon that just died, okay? And it made me remember when I was a kid, my family had, really, it was this family member. They had a big iguana as a pet, an iguana. And I remember this thing, it was, we were all kids, and when you're a kid, you don't take very good care of your pet. I remember I would go to feed this thing. So it had a big tank, this iguana, and you'd stick your hand in there to into the tank to feed it. And this evil little bastard iguana, he had this big tail, and the tail's kind of have these little spikes, and he would just, whoosh, he would whip you with his goddamn tail, and you're like, it would hurt so bad. This stupid damn iguana, he would just whip you. He would try to bite you, and I'm like, I'm trying to feed you. I'm trying to be your buddy and take care of you and feed you. Like, why are you being mean? This little thing was a little bastard. And, you see a lizard and you think it's cold blooded. It needs to sit in the sun. You think of just a slow turtle, like a thing slowly walking. When this thing got out of its tank, it would run from you and it would try to go outside if the door was open. This thing was a monster. And that little fucker was shockingly fast. That thing would run way faster than a human could. I mean, short distances. That little fucker was fast. So, I don't know. He was kind of like a little monster. I was like, why do we have this thing? This thing is horrible. And funnily enough, it would be kind of mean. It would whip you and, sometimes snap at you. But if you gave it a little pet on its head, like, like right between its eyes, he would close his eyes and be like, ah, yeah, that feels good. Weird creatures, iguanas. They're weird creatures. I've seen and held like really monster ones, like down in Latin America, like ones that, will fit on your entire arm. Kind of terrifying how big they get. I've seen some in the wild even before. They're weird animals. People eat them too, which is pretty nasty. I've never eaten one. I talked about that yesterday, like eating weird animals. Oof, I wouldn't want to eat one. I wouldn't want to eat that either. My family member is very upset that their chameleon died. The chameleon was pretty cool. Uh, they would just feed it, like put a cricket in their hand, and the thing, with its tongue, would eat from really far away, just right out of their hand. So that's a pretty cool lizard. The chameleons are cool, but now that I'm older, I feel like leave those animals in the wild, like leave them in their natural habitat. You know what I mean? Like, don't have them be your pet at a house in the suburbs of, California or wherever. Like, I believe more in, like, let's conserve their environments and, go for a hike in the jungle to go see them. Like I said, I've seen wild iguanas. Where did I see them? But they were like on a rock, like in a natural environment, living their best little lizard life. So that's what I believe now. I think dogs and cats are kind of an exception now. Anyway, so that was a little monster, that iguana that we had, little fucker. He was kind of a character. So, anyways, that's all I got for today. See you not see you tomorrow. See you Monday.